Now we can discuss about another fact, that is 6 ugly facts about the animal fur industry that will tear you apart. So animal fur is good for beauty and coats and shirts and so many are preparing. But back to that, so much of sad things are also there in preparing and collecting animal fur. Under the Chinese law, animals on fur farms are considered economic animals, a tool for human use and source of income. A researcher told Nat Geo, for farming is properly the worst form of animal cruelty and the utmost violation their rights, whether it came from an animal on a fur farm or one who was trapped in the wild. Every fur, yeah, fur means FUR fur, fur coat, trinket, and a bit of trim caused an animal tremendous suffering and took away a life. Nearly two-thirds of women's 2016 fall fashion collections featured fur, according to the International Fur Federation. Animals used for Fur Federation. So, International Fur Federation is also there. What they are doing, that is we are discussing now. Number one is animals used for fur production. Many different animals Many different animals can be raised in captivity for the fur trade, from minks and foxes to chinchillas, seals, and raccoons. These are in addition to the myriad species that are trapped from the wild, including bobcats, bears, beavers, beavers, lynxes, sables, seals, weasels, and even dogs and cats. Fur market leader. Fur market leader is China country. Mink is the far the most popular farmed fur, and Chinese minks dominate the market. In 2014, the country produced 35 million pelts. The unit used to measure the skinned animals, that is the pelts, which occurred, which accounted for 40% of the entire market. Cheap labor in China has allowed for farming to grow, according to a paper published by the Animal Legal and Historical Center at Michigan State University College of Law, which means that many more animals are likely subjected to inhuman conditions. This is the information. So, animal fur industry is good. Demised animals fur, we can take it and we can utilize it. It's not good. But living animals fur, we are killing the animals and making fur means it is very dangerous to the society and it is not human thing, humanity also. So all we should think over. So it is better to say that fur cloth is better not to prefer. It will save you in always. But for certain occasions it is, but in winter season the fur coats are some compulsory. But even though it is better to avoid certain things and timings and locations to avoid fur clothing. It is something better to save animals and save animals. My suggestion is not my suggestion. All of the people are suggesting that mm, it is demised animals fur we can utilize very well, but killing animals and preparing fur is different. It is dangerous. That is we should consider it. It is not humanity. That is we are all of the world is suggesting. Wishing you all the best.